Pivot's insulated room seal flue is so easy to join with our twist lock jointing system. Each stainless steel length and fitting comprises of a male and female twist lock ends with locking teeth that, when engaged, secures your flue together. Each length, fitting and cowl are supplied with a locking band. Before joining a flue, remove the locking band by simply lifting the clasp. Simply insert the male and female ends together and twist firmly clockwise. Reposition the locking band over the join and secure the locking clasp.